Morning everybody, welcome to my 10 down to 1 circuit. Just to give you an idea of the situation this morning, I've got a client booked in, a coaching client booked in at 8 o'clock, and when I'm coaching somebody I don't like to get up too early. I don't like getting up super early because I need my sleep. I need to be mentally alert, mentally focused on the client so I can help them as much as I can. Obviously that's my job. So the problem I have is, the dilemma is that I don't have much time between getting up and starting this coaching session. So I've only got about an hour or so to get up, train, get showered, get down to the office, ready to start with a client at 8 o'clock. So this is where the 10 down to 1 circuit comes in. It's fantastic for this situation. So this is only probably going to take about 10 or 12 minutes. I'm going to get an upper body workout, a core workout, a lower body workout. I'm going to work hard, and there's also a lot of cardio exercise in there as well. It's a highly effective, time efficient workout, and when you haven't got much time, just bang one of these out and it will do the job. If I get time later, unfortunately I've got a funeral later on as well, so I've got a bit of a busy day. If I've got time later on, I'll train again. But the good thing about this is it takes 10 or 12 minutes. It's pretty good. It will do the job for today, so that if I don't get much time later on, then at least I've done something. I've done this, which is a good little workout. It's a lot better than doing nothing. Okay, so just to quickly tell you what the circuit is about, it's dead simple. I love my simple circuits. 10 down to 1 circuit. I do 10 press ups, works my upper body and my core. I do 10 burpees, which works pretty much everything, and my cardiovascular system, and 10 squat jumps, which work my lower body and my core. Okay, I do 10 of them, and then I'm going to do 30 star jumps, which is my cardio part of the workout. Okay, and that's it really. And then I start again, I do 9 press ups, 9 burpees, 9 squat jumps, but then I stay on 30 star jumps, then go to 8 press ups, 8 burpees, 8 squat jumps, 30 star jumps, and every time I just deduct 1 rep from the press ups, burpees and squat jumps until I get down to 1. Okay, if you're a beginner, you can make this a little bit easier for yourself. You could either take the burpees out completely and just do 10 press ups, 10 squats and 20 star jumps, or 10 star jumps even. Basically you can just adjust this however you want. I'm going to show you the framework, I'm going to show you the basis of the circuit, I'm going to show you exactly what I do. But if you want to change it to suit your own current fitness abilities, that's fine. Okay, you could take the burpees out and put crunches in there instead, or an easier exercise. Instead of doing 10 down to 1, you could do 8 down to 1 or 7 down to 1, whatever you can do. The idea is to get out and do something, get something done for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, even if that's all it is, because doing something is always better than nothing. Anyway, I'll stop waffling, I'll crack on. Remember, I can't play music. Normally I'd have some music going, I can't play music, otherwise YouTube won't let me play the video on YouTube. Normally you can have some music on, glass of water if you need it, make yourself comfortable, and get it done. All right, yeah, I'll crack on. Anything else I need to say? No, I've warmed myself up. Raining again, but I don't care. No excuses. Exercise needs to be done. So, just a little loosen off. I've already warmed up properly before I filmed the video. So I'm going to start 10 press ups, 10 burpees, 10 squat jumps. Away I go. Squat jumps. 30 star jumps. Round one done. Start again, 9 of each exercise, another 30 star jumps. Away we go. Back to 30 star jumps. Eight of everything. Eight squat jumps. Star jumps. Seven of everything. Star jumps. Six of everything. Star jumps. 5 of everything. Thirty star jumps. Four of everything. Thirty star jumps. I can't remember if I'm on 3 or 4, so I'm going to do 4 just to be on the safe side. Thirty star jumps. Okay, 3 of everything. Thirty star jumps. Two of everything. Thirty star jumps. One of everything. Thirty star jumps to finish.
That's it. That's it, done. Okay, so if you was following along to that and I made you do an extra set there, I apologise, but it's free, so you can't complain too much. I was got to 3 or 4, I can't remember how many I've done. When you start getting tired, yeah, your memory goes a little bit. But anyway, that is it. That took me probably less than 10 minutes now, I forgot to time it, but less than 10 minutes. A little emergency workout, upper body done, core done, legs done, cardio done. And if I have a busy day and I don't get time to train again, all right, that will do me to keep ticking over. I've got my mood up, I've got my energy levels up, I've cleared my head, okay, which is another important point. If you've got something to do in the morning, something important, like I've got my coaching client, you might have a meeting, you might have a busy day at work, we might just want to be, you know, hopefully anyway, you should want to be alert and energised and vibrant, okay? Just doing that in the morning, just like I say, less than 10 minutes, fully wakes you up, gets you good to go for your day, okay? And for a lot of you guys who don't currently do very much or don't do anything at all, okay, you just start getting up doing that every morning, okay? Do that every morning, combine it with all my nutritional advice that I put out, and I promise you, you'll start to make massive differences to your physical, mental and emotional health. You'll lose weight, you get toned up, you get fitter, all the rest of it, just for the sake of less than 10 minutes. Less than 10 minutes every morning, okay, no excuses. It's early, raining outside, all right, but I'm still out there. I'm getting my exercise done. There's absolutely no excuse not to do at least 10 minutes of exercise every day. And I've just shown you exactly what you need to do there.